This is a presentation of Harendra Raval on Key to Peace in Motion for International Peace Day, September 21st, 2008, to be sent to the President, United States of America. Purpose. Our purpose at Healing Garden of Universe is to serve as a resource for the people at large in their discovery and celebration of subtle peace with natural living and in harmony with Mother Earth. Harendra Raval, MAICY, holistic yoga expert, regular column writer and radio speaker on home life psychology since many years in Canada and India, presents Key to Peace in Motion, peace with self, peace with the world. See the world as yourself. Have a faith in the way things are. Love the world as yourself. Then you can care for all things. Tao Singh. For each peace explorer. Peace prayer. Read and visualize. To handle yourself, use your head. To handle others, use your heart. Irish Digest. Objectives. Peace is a state of stillness of mind. To achieve stillness of mind, create order, organization, and mental equilibrium. Attend to emotional catharsis. Encourage working habits in a group. Learn relaxation techniques and improve living habits. Develop skill and time management. Minimize the gap between thinking and behavior pattern. Grow and develop psychologically and logically. Attitude in living must be vital. Intensives for peace. The purpose of intensives is to enhance the process of becoming aware. The goal of intensives is to bring peace to the mind and nourish love for the inner self. In the intensives, one may get right understanding, direct experience, and knowledge of our true self. The intensive is like a vehicle with 4 wheels. Meditation. Holistic medicine for peace. Buddha's meditation. The first and main wheel is meditation. No matter what arises in the mind, good or bad, positive or negative, it all comes from the same source and the same stuff. Do not try to wash away mental impurities. Turn your attention towards the inner witness of your thoughts. Meditate on that being who watches the play of the mind. There should be no preconditions for meditation. True meditation is not something you learn. It happens spontaneously in the atmosphere of a being, established in the state of meditation. 2 types of meditation. Tratak meditation. Passive meditation. The silence of the nature is very real. It surrounds you. You can feel it. 1. passive meditation, adopting a certain mental state to invoke a mood, requires serene and calm thoughts. It is a healing meditation. 2. Active meditation. It is known as the science of creative intelligence in the present world. A. Transcendental meditation to project thoughts or words as in visualization to achieve material benefits. Reciting Om in transcendental meditation. B. Sound meditation. Nishpanda Bhava is a state of mind without motion. In it, we plan a conscious effort to establish control over the mind. We listen to various sounds and follow them to their culmination. Universal prayer. Symbol of prayer is Om. The next wheel of intensive is the prayer. Leads to meditation. It is the voice of the soul, circulates throughout the body, purifying by permeating each and every particle. Asana. The third wheel of the intensive is the asana. To sit still in Padmasana or Sukhasana purifies the various constituents of the body. Shavasana, or the corpse posture that relaxes the body and mind. Pranayama, power of sun and power of moon. The fourth wheel of that intensive is the pranayama, the breathing process. The base type of pranayama is the natural flow of the breath. The aim of pranayama is to make the breathing even and to make the mind steady in meditation. Breathe in and breathe out naturally. Let it happen by itself, using the sound Om dash O in inhalation and M in exhalation in the equal ratio. So each intensive is a natural journey to the attainment of internal peace at oneself and ultimately with others. The essence of peace psychology. In cosmic terms, order, truth, and justice depend on right relationships of all parts of the human body and mind to one another and to the whole. Right conduct is not the chord by which the individual responds to a cosmic symphony. It creates the symphony. Modern man and woman think and behave in accordance with truth, and truth alters the world. Peace psychology is a sort of rhythm of consciousness to the world, and a rhythm which changes the world. Time is rolling, and we are passing away in no time without giving justice to peace. Just for today, I will try to live through this day only and not tackle my whole life problem at once.